you guys should throw money now. Eh? Blushes for Minah. Oh, okay. Angelina, hi Angelina. Hello. Hello, Angelina. Hello. Welcome and thanks so much for joining the stream. Are you taking picture? Rose. Hello, Rose. Hello. Angelina, welcome. Have you taken the picture? Hey, how is the beauty? In fact, make me crazy. Where are you from? I'm from Nigeria. Guys, send us some super chats. Thank you, Phoebe. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Angelina, thank you. Thank you, Angelina. Goodway, hi, Goodway. Welcome and thanks so much for joining the stream. Please do what you like the stream. Share this stream and subscribe. Hi, side. So, guys, I need to... God bless Nigeria. Much love from Russia. Hey, thank you so much. God bless Russia, too. Thank you. Thank you, Angelina. Okay, they will throw it, guys. Hey, guys, please, I beg. Throw money for Minah. She deserves it. Oh, my God. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. How is that? How is that? Every color look good on you. I think he's Phoebe, I'm ending the stream now, but I will come back I will come back. I just need to go and make short video because I don't have that phone. You understand? So I need to go and make oh my God. See. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. See, guys. My nephew has thrown money for me. Thank you so much. My nephew. I want to like this thing. Why is it? Why is it like this? Okay. Thank you very much. My nephew just threw money for me. Oh my God. Sorry. Thank you. Thank you, my nephew. May Almighty God bless you. Thank you, Ran. Yeah. God bless you, Ran. Thank you so much. So yeah, I just need to go and make short video, then I'll come back real quick. So guys, have you guys take picture? Have you guys take picture? Where is GeForce? What are you restricting? Phoebe, thank you, Phoebe series. Thank you so much. So, Phoebe, are you from Nigeria? Thank you so much. I will come back now. I will come back. Then when I come back, we will not do it together on the stream here. Lady Silver, hello. Chef, hello. Bernard, thank you, Bernard. Welcome. What? Thank you, Siri. God bless everyone. Thank you so much. Oh, sorry. My scalp. So, color is perfect on you, Minah. Thank you, time. How is the day been? Yes, Abby. Goddess color. Abby. Yep. But you, oh yeah, wait. I want us to do it together, so it will look like maybe I'm coming. Let me. Okay, where's my pencil? Oh yeah, type call the name. The name, please. Oh yeah. Call the name, so I will write it out. Isaac. Guys, okay, wait. Let me do something for you guys, right? Wait. Okay. I want to let you guys see the look very well, like. So that's the look.